Dashpoet, birds of paradox. We are but dust in the winds of time, spectacular particulates, but nonetheless we settle in obscurity. Stardust scatterings, fleetingly we shape the shadows, taking forms that morph within our minds. Blissing out on sentience, sages gaze in wonder with their sapient desire. Seeking too for substance in enigma, seers make firm pronouncements of their visions in the clouds. We are but dust in the eye of eternity, each brief fleck for a time in the sun. Certitudes transfigure, credo into ether. As sackcloth ashes, so hubris will expire.